So we just arrived at a little campground with all the crew for a little campfire before everyone's going for their summer road trip. So should be fun. So there's Chrome right here. We have sharing the wife right here. And Lauren and Jeffy
what
right
are you doing?
Here.
Taking a picture of me, taking a picture of you.
So I think the guys are all gonna eat some meat around the campfire. And I'm hungry and the campfire is not yet ready, so I'm just gonna cook inside here. I just have some leftover plant-based sausage, broccoli, mushroom. I'm just gonna make it kind of like a little saute of stuff. So for those of you who didn't realize or didn't watch my last video, we are out of the shop. Oh, it feels so good. This is gonna be the second night out. All right, little dinner. I thought I put more vegetable, but they just shrink down.
Hey, I just started my build with 2000 E350 extended 7.3, 116,000 kilometers. I'm not sure if Chrome will answer or anyone. What mounts is he using on the
almost ready
hood?
to start. Jeffy, you are the expert. This is what happened when we leave with Jeffy making a fire.
Not bad. Not bad for a guy with no legs.
No, it's gone.
Jeffy in his van. Looking good with the lights on.
I know, it's not bad, eh?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You don't see anybody. He's so cute. Yes, yeah. Happy? Happy to go outside? Morning, Joseph.
Morning.
So I think a couple of us gotta go see the waterfall. It's a beautiful waterfall. We've been a couple of times on this channel. It's always the waterfall that I send people to because it's just beautiful. Do it! Oh, some kisses this morning. This is impressive. A curved one.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, great little morning and evening yesterday at the campground with some friends, and Joseph, it's been a while since we saw him and all this, so always great. And I think we're gonna go for a little coffee now. Thank you, Lauren. So Lauren bring me this from a subscriber. She's working at the park here. Aww. It's so gorgeous. Try to show you guys. Joseph growing up some stuff. It's empty.
It is. It's hot.
Oh, it's too hot. Alright, so everyone moved to our own little way. It's always how that goes. We love to spend some time with each other, but with no man, all that goes, everyone disperse and go do their thing. So today we have a bunch of little stuff that I want to do. First we have to check the oil, check everything, make sure that we all topped up, because Lauren told me to, you know, make sure, because we drain several liquid, and you know, I want to make sure that everything is topped up. And we need to buy at Canadian Tire a cover seat, because Kitty destroyed everything. Miss Kitty, who's enjoying the beautiful weather. This seat where her part is right now is broken, and this one, but it's got nothing. And I need something because you see she's started destroying her seat, which doesn't bother me too much, but I like to have like a cover seat. It's just easier to clean, easier with cat hair. And I do have this dollar store little carpet that I put here, and I put the cover on top, so you can tell like she's been scratching on it, and it doesn't destroy anymore the back here. So that was before I started doing that. So it's been a nice little trick. So we're gonna go buy another cover. They don't last me like too long, to be quite honest. Just I think because of the cat who just scratching things. I think every year and a half I have to go buy a new cover, but whatever. This is what it is. It's not the end of the world. She just loved this scratching post. All right, let's go check the oil. All right, everything is good except the coolant. So I'm gonna go buy some coolant because I don't have any, and we use all that we had, me and Lauren. Transmission is good, and I have some in the back if we need eventually more. And oil is good too, and I have more too also in the back, but yeah, I need some coolant. All right, we should all be good now. All right, now we're just gonna reinstall those things. And by the way, I tried to put like another actual scratcher for her, but she always goes to the front seat, so it's all good. It's not a plaything. Kitty. Oh. Can you try to help me instead? Kitty. He's such a baby. Alright, so the carpet is behind this. Nobody knows that it's got a carpet there, but it's just better when Kitty shop her cloth, eh? Alright, we're gonna go do our next little thing that I want to do today. Yes, we are back at the shop. We are back at the shop, Kitty. We are back at the shop, but not for something that you think the van's doing great. We need to clean this mess because Chrome left all those tools and those things for me and Lauren to use because he moved everything to his other shop. So now I want to put all his stuff into his ambulance, and when he's got a time, he's gonna pick it up. And I put the shop van inside here because I do have a little bit of stuff that could go to my storage. And I need to go drop a couple things at the dump too as well. So those things gonna go there, and I'm gonna deliver his shop van to his other shop. So a lot of stuff going on, but yeah, we're just gonna clean this place here so he can completely move out of his place here. Pretty much everything is clean now. The only thing you have to put into the shop van is this here. So this battery go into the ammo, but this here is chrome old winch that I got my hands on too. So that's gonna be installed next winter. Next winter, guys, we'll do more project, more fun project. You know, the engine of the van, it's great. I'm happy. It's a peace of mind knowing that my engine is good and we're gonna have a good time on the road. But it's not something visual. It's not something fun. You know what I mean? I'm a visual person. I'm a girl. And we're gonna put a couple visual thing next winter. Pretty exciting about that. Lauren already know about it, and yeah, exciting for next winter. You guys gonna have to check that out. I don't want to tell you everything, but that's one of the part. Alright, so I'm gonna put those things in storage until next winter. Alright, that's done. And for people who wonder if I have a lot of stuff in my storage, like 99% of everything that I own is in my van. I took a storage with someone, one of my friends, and I have like just a small little portion. It's mainly just material for the for building the van, which I barely have anything now, and like the winch and like one more thing. So pretty much just a small little corner. And I think next winter that's gonna be all empty of my stuff. It's just so I don't have to carry all of this in my van like all year long. Yep. All right. Almost empty.
Crazy. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Hold on.
Okay, I got the bottom.
Oh, you got the bottom?
Yeah.
You got 4?
Alright, I think that's gonna be it for us today, guys. Productive day. A lot of fun time with my friend yesterday and this morning, and yeah, we are close to be back on the road. I think I'm gonna visit a little place here not very far that I really wanted to visit, and apparently it's beautiful during the summer, so we're gonna go that and really start the big road trip pretty soon. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Come see us. Can we have a kiss? Can we have a little kiss? Oh no, that was not the kiss, Kitty. We want a proper kiss. Oh, that's better. That's a choice. Alright, thank you.